From wild science comes the glow-in-the-dark Rainbow Volcano Lava Lab. Volcano Island includes 4 craters, 11 color calderas, 3 color springs, lava cascade, rainbow storm and more. Mix up your own rainbow lava bombs and erupt them in the island craters. Color the calderas and watch the rainbow lava flow. Observe stunning after-dark, glowing lava flows. Recreate 4 world-famous volcanoes from Italy, Africa, Antarctica and America. Paint them in glowing colors. Explore color change mineral springs. Design slow-motion rainbow flowers that grow by day and glow by night. Set up the rainbow storm pool. Touch the pool 3 times and watch the reaction. All these experiments and more in the full-color discovery booklet. The amazing glow-in-the-dark Rainbow Volcano Lava Lab. And remember, there's only one wild science.